Good morning, guys. Good morning. Another blessed Sunday morning. Thank God. You know I have to give God the praises. Thank God for waking us up all this morning, waking up all the universe. Thank God for that. First and foremost, guys, I'm gonna, today is what? Sunday. Cooking time, right? You know what I'm gonna cook today? I think I know y'all favorite. I'm gonna do jerk chicken. Look at that, friends. I'm gonna do jerk chicken. Look at that. I'm gonna do jerk chicken. I'm gonna do brown stew snapper fish. And you see that one chicken, guys? My mother seasoned it up, and I'm gonna pick it up from her last night. She said she want me air fry that one chicken for her. And guess what? You know my famous veggie. My famous color green. And look, I cook rice and peas today. You know, so my peas they are boiled. I hope it not take long to cook like the last time I cook rice and peas, you know, guys. The last time I cook the rice and peas in a long time I don't cook none, and the time when we choose to cook it, the peas was so tough. But let's hope and pray that this one does not take long. And guess what, guys, I end up get a fridge. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look at my fridge. Look at my fridge, guys. I end up get a nice one. Look at that. Nice one. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I got the one that I always wanted. Look at that. You see that? It's not much stuff in there because I just get it when? Wednesday? And I said, you know what? I'm not going to show my friends them until Sunday when I'm cooking. Look at that, guys. Nice fridge. It's nice. You know, I got the French door one and I'm loving it. You see? Look at my freezer. That's my freezer at the bottom. Look at that. And I got another tray here. Look at that. You see, I got two ice things. I got one right here and I have one right here. So I can't out of ice. I love this. I love it, love it, love it. So that's my new fridge. See, that's my new fridge, guys. That's my new fridge right here. Yeah, and I'm loving it. That's it. I'm so happy now. My food will stay cool. Now I have ice. Can't ask better, right? So anyways, guys, so while I'm going through my cooking journey, make sure you stay and follow through with me now, because I'm gonna go. And you know what too? You know, as when I jerk chicken, you know I'm gonna be outside, inside. So it's an inside, outside situation today with the cooking. So I will be inside cooking and I will be outside cooking. So you all will see everything. So don't go nowhere, just stay right there and I'll come back to you and I'll let you see. Follow through the journey, guys. Yes, guys, look, see my grill? I'm gonna put my chicken on it now. And see that, guys? A two guys. A two bag of jerk chicken, you know. When I say two plastic bag me get, me do 3 bag of chicken, leg quarter them, and me get 2 bag out of it, because you know, it take me a while. I go to bed last night after 1 because I wasn't home, you know. So when I come back, I said, you know what, me I gonna make sure I season my thing from tonight, from last night. So you know me always do my seasoning from overnight, because as we tell you before, it make life much easier for me. You know, so when me I do nothing, it's easier for me to do. You know, so just like one. Do this still. I put this out here because I still have to go inside. And you know, guys, guess what? The peas are almost cooking up. So when you said, you know, that the peas ain't cooked the other day, I want to go on. You know? And I want to go on the piece of the top. So this is one set the pan it already. This is one set, guys. See the next bag there? Look, see the next bag of chicken there. Alright. Look here, guys, see? Look. I first set that, you know. But just put on this. That's the first set of jerk chicken that's on the grill. So, guess what I go do? I go close that down and I go inside back. I go inside, you know. Because guess what? I have to go. I go inside, go get my collard green, get started. And I cut up my season already. When we go inside, I'm going to make you all see, you know, guys. So continue watching, you know. And you're going to see this cooking journey just slide through smooth. Continue watch, guys. Yes, guys, I have the, what you call it? The season for the collard green. See, I have the pattern on the stove already. I have that for the collard green. So guys, look at this. You see? See? My collard, my season. You know, so you see me blend up some season last night, because you know me tell you, me blend my season when I go season my meat them and stuff like that. And me blend up from last night. And guess what? I make sure cut up enough when I have to cut up this morning. You know? So yeah man, so this is it. This is the season for the collard green. So that's what I'm doing, guys. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna put the collard green in, and y'all gonna see when I'm putting the collard green. Look at it. You see, I have my pudding pan this time again because I jerk chicken in the bigger one, and the jerk chicken fits that one better, you know. So see, I'm gonna shrink still, you know, guys. It's gonna shrink. Milk a spoon holder, you know. I can always hear a knock, you know. So I'm getting my collard green in. So it's gonna shrink, you know, guys. And see me have my pot pan stove and the oil to fry my fish. I remember I said I gonna cook brown stew fish and jerk chicken, you know, and the chicken in the air fryer, the one chicken where my mother asked me to do. And I'm telling you that this is gonna shrink, so you know, this is it. So guys, I'm gonna cover this, so continue watch the journey. And the cover is over here. Continue watch my journey. And you're gonna see everything when I'm doing it. So next, when I'm putting in the fish, I'm gonna let you see. So don't stop watching, you know, guys. Help me cook through this journey. You know, me love one of my friends. Help me cook through this journey. See you now. Yes, guys. See, I'm back outside. This is from I put them on. This is the first turn I'm gonna give them. Wow! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, they look pretty already, you know, guys. They look pretty already. Wow. See that? Look at that. Guys, look at that. You see that? You see that? Look here. Look at this. Look at that. You see how that pretty? That's the first turn from I put it on. Look at that. Wow. You see how that look good? Oh my God. Guys, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go inside and you are gonna see what I'm doing. The pot and the stove getting hot, the oil and everything getting hot. But me turn it down low. Come on, my oil burn up in the while me out just so it burn up, because I have to be outside and inside. So I'm gonna go inside and let y'all see what I'm doing. So continue on this journey, you know, guys. Continue with me on this journey, and I will be seeing you inside. Yes, guys, look at this. Is the collard green. You see it shrink? I tell you guys, I'm telling you say this thing shrink. I'm going to show you what transpire. Look here. My one pot of color green, watch here. It shrink, but it still look good. Now watch it shrink this. I taste me I talk about, and it always tasty when I cook it. You know? Anyways guys, see, I fish this in a sea oil hot. I have this in a but remember, so I'm telling you say it pot broader than this, but I try a thing still. I try okay. See that guys? Okay. Whoa! See that? Aye! Ramos Redeemer something I can pop it to guys. Look there. That popping up. I pop something that pop for me. I wanna know me not have no luck with this popping these days, but I the fish that in the sauce fry and the chicken you saw what nice. Look at that chicken now. My mother chicken, you know. My mother chicken it look nice to me. Turn it over. So I'm not never do. You see? Oh, come on, very good. Come on, very, very good, you know. One big one, this and the chicken, right? Ah! It's chicken on the air fryer. I always tell the kids them say. I always tell the kids that they can't be cooking and running from the pot when it's popping, but look at me now. Look at me running from the pot. Running from the pot. But anyways guys, just continue the journey and I'll let you see what is next. Don't go nowhere. Yes guys, I'm gonna put my red stripe. Look for the chicken them, man. You see? Look what I'm gonna put. Red stripe on them again. Red stripe on them guys. Red stripe. Watch me the red stripe you know. You see that? Red stripe on the red stripe. You see that? Red stripe. Red stripe on them. Red stripe on them. Red stripe, you see that? Look here. Red stripe on them. Red stripe of fly. Come on. Chicken them are going good. Chicken them are going good, guys. I'm going to put me, because some of them done enough. I'm going to put the sauce on them. Put the sauce on them. Put them up to keep warm. I'm ready to put them in the pan there, so I'm inside a fried fish, you know. So I look out them and then we go inside, go start on them then. Yes guys. So I do the Sunday thing, you know. Sunday settings and thing, you know. I'm not lying still, you know, guys. I'm glad to hear when my mom teach me how to cook. She teach me how to cook, I don't regret it. You can't wash, cook, clean. All of the above. All of the above. You know? So I mean, I still have one set left, you know. This is the first set, you know, guys. I still have one set left, you know. Still have one set left, you know. Because I make them slow cook. That's why it may take so long to cook, cause when me used to jerk, you know, me used to turn up the drill. Me say no, sir. So when I start, you know, I start turn it down on the lowest and make it stay there. Go and do anything. Let them slow cook. That's what I say. Come on. Just make it slow cook, man. Make them slow cook. It's good to make them slow cook. Them cook properly that way, you know. When you make them slow cook, better off that way, you know. You see like how them are soaking. You know what I'm going to do, guys? This is soaking, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put some over that side and then side are empty. So this is the next set. See? What do you been on, Jeff? Yeah, man. For the next batch, this. So I'm going to put the next batch, we can go and do thing. You know? So I have to go run back inside and the fish that on the stove are fried. You know? Now my fish burn up, you know, guys. So just put them here so for the time being. Let them go and do them thing. Let them go and do them thing, man. Yeah, man. Cover this down and make it go on. You see that? Look at that, guys. See you next. See them one day I cook and see you next rest. When I put on some out of it. Yeah, man, them almost done, man. The first set almost done. I was just somewhere they are soaking. So continue with me now. When we go inside, I make you see what me are doing now, guys. So me go inside now. Continue. Guys, I'm inside now. I'm inside. Look, see? Fish they are frying now. So the fried tree already, you know. The tree are fried already. And 3 more in I pot and see 2 yeah, so. I'm almost done with this. My rice. No cook yet. My rice and peas me I cook. The peas done cook. I was like, yeah, the peas not have to work me this time. I don't know that the peas are tough. They come out of the same bag unless I mix the peas and distribute it to the supermarket, you know? Because I tell you last time I say I cook rice and peas. The peas tough, you see, man. So this time the peas done cook already. So when I'm ready for it, I'm going to cook the rice in a rice pot, you know, with the rice and peas. So I'm going to have to watch. You see my collard green now? The collard green finished cook. See? Collard green finished cook. So when I'm done, I'm going to put it out in my Pyrex dish. You don't know when I'm done cook and stuff, I always dish out my food and stuff like that. But for now, I wash this. I check on the chicken already. The chicken done. The chicken not done yet. I just turn it around to soak it more. You know, so the chicken and the air fryer are fried. So the 3 fish just are fried and I have 2 more. So I go back outside, guys. Because I have to go finish with the rest of the chicken. I say I soak. We're almost done. I can't let them too long because coming and then dry out. You want when you eat the chicken, it's juicy. So continue watching and I'll see you back in a little bit. Yes, guys, I'm inside again checking on the fish. See? You see? See that? The last 2 leaves. The last 2 leaves may have fried now. See that? See? Look, guys. See? My okra. See my okra? The tree. I have to go replant okra tree this year. You know? And we are going to replant okra this year, guys. These are oranges, guys. Orange juice. You know, me just do what I have to do. We soon done cooking, or just the adjust the thing. Me make it jerk chicken a slow cook. Something up on a bun, my man. Thirsty guys, look, the orange juice, the thirsty. I drink orange juice and rum. You know, some people drink that. I don't drink, guys. And I'm happy for that. I don't drink, I don't smoke. I don't drink, I don't smoke. And I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for that. You see, sitting and try popcorn, my guys. I'm very grateful for that when I'm drinking a smoke. But anyways, guys, that's beside the point. I'm gonna cut up these now. Maybe me cut off the head and the tail, wash them clean, and leave them all like this. Cause me love okra, you know, guys. I love okra, man. So I always try. I'm gonna try see if I can make some carrot juice today. Just one bag, and how much carrot me have. Just one big bag of carrot. I'm gonna just try and make that. Carrot and ginger and lime. Cause me have other drinks in there, but I want to do carrot pie. Me personally, I love carrot juice. So that me I do carrot juice and stuff like that. So when we go back outside, I'm gonna make you see when we reach back outside fast. I decided to look it, and guess what? It's sitting and going with himself. Look here. Watch out. You see? Holy. You see that, guys? And this may run from it, guys. When I always look down when I show you. Because they have the creases, some of the things the juice will come out of it. Sure, so I have to go wipe up right here. I have to go wipe up the floor. But anyways, I'm going to do that. So continue watching the journey here. Continue watching. And that's a big chicken in the air fryer. You know, my mom was like, you think it's going to fit in there? I said, don't worry yourself. Just bring your chicken. Eventually, it's going to shrink a little. It not shrink much, but it shrink a little. And I eat my have and cook it in here. So my mom will be coming here. Come here to go do her ear fear. I'm tired enough, guys, but you know what I'm going to do? My mother love her, so I'm going to do it fear. But anyways, guys, continue watch. And we are going to see everything. Continue watch. Guys, I'm outside again. You see the chicken? Remember the set I put on and say, while them they are so them they finish cooking, first set finish cook, and they have the rest in the bag. You remember say they couldn't fit on there because they didn't have the first set, the rest of them are so cold. So see me I put the last at it you know to make up with the second batch. But what happened? Some of the second batch did already on there, I put on there. So yeah, then you can turn it or look. See? Wow, you see that, guys? You see that? That's all around. Chicken and juicy and soft and nice. And one here next, that second batch this. You know? So I'm going to turn them one here. I'm going to make them a slow cook, you know. Because when you make them cook too fast, I'm going to burn up and then not cook. I mean, I'm not raw meat, I'm not depend that. As I said, remember the other last vlog when I said I'm not cannibal? Alright, I'm not cannibal. I need to have to well cook, you know. Okay, guys. I the first turn this for them, you know, for the second batch, yeah. This not turn yet, you know, because I just put on them, yeah. So this is second batch, them, you know. But through them I already did before these because these couldn't fit because I mean I make them finish soak. So them they don't know. Look there. See the second batch there. They go finish. Guys, you know see what I go on. I finish putting these. I finish put these in the bag. For the grill. In the bag. I finish put them in a ear so. And you know what? Bring this in for me, sweetheart. The bag need to throw out that and throw in the trash and put it something else in. And guess what, guys? The one. things they go. I left them the pandemic, then keep warm. And these are, that I second batch, you know. But I think these ones I got cook before them 4 pieces because through me I make them the soak out. Me I feel left this spot. For them the soak out. Now this spot free up, me put the 4 pieces where they left in there. So that's everything off the jerk on the grill now. So I go back inside again, you know, guys. Cause guess what? Me have to go do the my fish done fry. So when me I go do after my fish, me I go in there go put the seasoning and all them things. But you will see when me go in, man. Me I make you know. So continue with me through this cooking journey, friends. Not gonna away no, cause friends, me I tell you no, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that post notification bell. That's when I upload video, you all get notified. And I thank you all to my loyal subscribers. You know, I'm getting there. I'm humble and I'm getting there. God is a good God. You see what mark on my shirt, guys? Enjoy every moment. And that's what I'm doing. I'm enjoying every moment because tomorrow ain't promised to no one, you know? So don't forget. Remember to like up the video, share the video, subscribe. If you're scrolling through and you're new to the channel and you're scrolling through and you see Deb's Kitchen, just click that subscribe button. And then you follow and see what's going on. So guys, stay there, don't move, I'll get back to you. Yes guys, see the fish? I'm gonna put all the ingredients on it. Look at that, I'll make it steal there. Look at guys, wow. See that? See that? Yeah, man, I have to turn it on, make it slow, do it thing because okra, they're not tough at all. Too tight up, but they want to soft. See that? This is so nice. Look at that. This looks so good. Look at that. Some more water for this thing here. See? And this is done now, guys. So I got nice. So look at that. See that? Let this stay and doing things. Simmer down. Come on. Come on. Simmer down. You see that? Yeah, man. Making stay there go on slow cook. So guys, back again over, but as I say, as I go along I wash. That's the only thing I have dirty right now, different from the pot. So I'm gonna just wash that out now, and then I'm gonna come put my rice and peas on. My peas cook already, you know. I just put it on the rice cooker now. So that me I go do. So I go outside first before I do that. So guys, I'll see you back in a little bit. Guys, look, you see I'm back outside. Look at that. See everything blending now. You see that? I saw asparagus. Me having that in I do for the grill. Some asparagus. So that me I do, and so me come out here. So I have to go back inside and check on the fish. So I'm gonna leave them to make them go and cook. So guys, I'm definitely gonna check back in with you. Let me go inside. So on with that left for cooking now. So me are going to go deal with my fish and the rice. Me see you back when I get inside. Yes guys, look at this. You see that? Look at this. You see that? You see how this look good already? Watch out. You see this? Wow. And I'm like, wow. Look at this. Come on. Come on with himself. My son I go to work a while ago, guys. And I asked me say if I fry fish, maybe I love a fried fish. He said, no, I'm doing brown stew fish. Ah, man. I said, well, I have jerk chicken, eat jerk chicken. You know? So, I want to put them on this fry. You see this, guys? Look at hot. May I try it here? bionic and woman, but watch out. You see that, guys? You see that? Jesus. See that? Just have to stay in a slow cook. Slow cook. And I think almost 7 minutes left on the chicken left to do. So I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna go outside. So guys, when I go outside, you will see. Because remember saying, when me are jerking, at two places, me there inside, me there outside, outside, inside. So I have to make it rotate and make it work for me. You understand? So I'm gonna go back outside now, and then I'm gonna make you all see when I go out. Guys, so this is me. This I go juice when I done my bag of carrot. You see that? I go juice when I finish and make some carrot juice. But just bear with me. I go back outside, so stay with me through the journey. And guess what? I still have food for cook because me and my grill pan there not done. See? And this look. I put on the rice, you know, guys. Rice will start bubbling. I put it on though, so we see you back in a little bit. Yes, guys, see? I return them again. And I got through the rest of beer and then 1 year. You know? I put the rest of beer and then 1 year, you know? So, let's see that. Let's see, guys. See that, guys? Asparagus are cooked there. Asparagus are going with themselves, guys. See that? Let's try pan them. See that? Let's try pan them, guys. Let's try. Bit more left in it, so me I do my thing. See, red stripe, red stripe, red stripe. Jamaica largest beer, you know. Yeah, man, come on, good guys. Look at that, guys. Guys, look like me I forgot invite you not over and cook food, you know. Look like me I forgot invite you not and cook food, you know. You're gonna see how you're gonna taste Deb's Kitchen cooking meal. You're gonna taste my food. My food them nice. So what me I gonna do now? Me I leave them there to go and soak in. You know, soaking because remember say one set done in now, one set that we may have out here, so we cover up, you know. Cause me no want nothing go funny even though my patio enclosed, no fly can't come in here or nothing. So, unless me go out there and have a door open and me I carry something outside, one escape coming out, but none now go come in here, so. Me I left them to make them go and do them thing. Yes, so that one you flick up. When you have to, yeah man, stay down there so man, stand down there so. You know, so. Me I do my thing, man. And me it a go on, it a come along, you know guys. It a come along. And me I do this because I'm soon done, so I go back inside again. I go check for my rice because I done put my rice and my things in the pot. So I go check for my rice and I go see my fish, see what I go on with it, and me make you see and make you know what I go on. Yes guys, look. You see this? Look. You know a deal? Mango scotch bonnet. That's what I'm going to make on this one. I'm going to put my fish and meat season. Look guys, see? Fish and meat season. As I tell you, I've been use fish and meat season from I live in New York. Because you know, love Caribbean store, the Korean store sell a lot of Caribbean product. They sell enough Jamaican product. So You see that, guys? And you know, me have my little secret ingredient with me, not make nobody know. You know, so the Scotch bonnet that it give the food a nice flavor. You know, nice flavor. I have to go. I have to use a cloth, guys. This tastes good. Turn them over again. Come on. Come on. See how this looks good? See one of the head come off, but that's okay. I'm going to want it fished in here, so. Like it's a night fished. You know, so. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at that. See? But you see chicken done for my mother. Chicken that you know, guys. You see how that pretty? Yeah, man. Chicken done. So, I keep this pan low. Let that go and simmer. I'm going to go back outside and then I'm going to come back in and do my carrot. You know, I do my carrot, man. You know, then after I'm done, I'm going to put the final ingredient. I'm going to put on the kettle. Come and with some water, guys. You know, I like when I pot boil up, I like use the water when I boil and throw it in my pot. You know, so what I'm going to do right now. Let's see. Electric kettle, so make a clear electric kettle. Yeah. Guys, look here. I'm showing us something. I'm showing us. You see how I sweat? I'm showing us. Watch out. What that? My rice and peas. That you know, look at my rice and peas. See my rice and peas look good? Yeah, man. Rice and peas look good. So I eat this. Everything I done. Slowly but surely, you know. Slowly but surely, as I say, I'm going to finish up with this. I'm going to go out in my garden and cut time. I still have time out there. So I'm going to go cut time to throw some in this, in my fish. So, me see you back in a little bit, guys. Guys, I'm on the last of my chicken. Look at this. You see? I'm on the last of my chicken. So I'm going to try to finish them up to sit down. I'm tired, guys. You know? And see the last of the chicken I'm on, which I'm happy. I have to go sit down and rest myself. You see that, guys? Alright. Yeah, man. My mom is here too, you know. My mom come look for me. And I tell her, I said, I cook one chicken for my mom. She did it to me, so my mother, you know, I don't do anything to her. I know I should have some corn, but me not have. You know which one I go see 2 corn for $3, $1.50 for 1 corn in Winn-Dixie. I'm like, oh heck no.
Oh, Winn-Dixie too cheap, isn't it?
You know, so guys, this is the last of it. So when I'm done with this, you all gonna see, and I'm gonna go back inside because I still have to check on my rice. Now, my rice now burn up still, you know, when it done cook, it shut off by itself. And my fish almost done. So basically, me the panela. So I'm gonna make you see the final touch. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, tell a friend to tell a friend. Click that post notification bell, guys. That's when I upload video, you all get notified. So first, me see you back in a little bit. Yes, guys. This is the final touch of my Sunday dinner. Look at that, guys. Rice and peas. Look at my freshly squeezed carrot juice. No water, no additives, you know, guys. Look at my asparagus. Look there. You see that chicken here? Remember me telling you from the beginning, says my mom chicken. I do an air fryer chicken for her, but I still put it in my video. Look at my color green. Oh gosh, look at my okra with my brown stew fish. You see how that look good? Okra body, you know, friends? Okra body. Whoa, look at the jerk chicken. Look at that. You see that? Hard work, you know, but finally God help me with this meal, prepare this meal, and me give thanks and give me the health and the strength that I could have done it, you know. I'm so impressed with the final touch. Look at that, guys. I'm telling you, look at it. You see that? You all need to come and get some. Look at that. Guys, every time I tell you, say, just comment and let me know what you all cook. But none of you all commenting and let me know what you cook. You know? But look, I'm sharing mine with you. Look at that. You see that? That's the final touch of my Sunday dinner. And guess what? I'm gonna enjoy mine, and I hope you all enjoy yours. You know, so as I said, see, you see the chicken that pretty? My mother chicken that. Chicken pretty, man. Look at my color green, guys. Look at that. Look at my jerk chicken. Look there. You see that? Okra body that, you know. Brown stew fish with okra. My natural carrot juice that, you know, me just juice, you know, man. No sugar, no nothing, just lime and ginger and the carrot. What natural more than that you need? See, does the body good? Look at that, guys. Look at my rice and peas. You see how shelly that look? Watch it. See how shelly that look? Look there. See that? See that, guys? I saw me do the thing, you know? But anyway, guys, just be blessed. Stay blessed. Don't forget God loves you. Don't forget to pray. And make sure y'all take good care of yourself. Don't stop praying now. And I'll see you in another video, guys. Bye.